Hi, welcome to Find a Pick, and today we are going to tackle this discus lock. It's a 9mm shackle, 68mm stainless steel lock. The story behind it is my cousin was using it on his gate, and he broke the key, so he could no longer use the lock, so he gave it to me. So this Alright, so what we're going to do first is we're going to pick this lock, and then we're going to come to a slightly different facet that we're going to have to look at. And so what we're going to do is we're going to use one of these new little picks that we got. We're going to tension it off this over here. Ah, look at that. Well, isn't that interesting? Can we call that a pick? I'm gonna turn it back. Yeah, let's try and pretend to pick this lock. But that didn't work. Okay, so we're gonna put some tension in there. Not that one. Well, definitely this one. Okay, so we're gonna tension it over there, put a bit of pressure on it, and now we're going to sit and pick the lock. Notice, now I can't open it. Oh, there we go. Okay, so what's actually happening here? While I have picked the lock and persuaded the lock straight open, what my cousin failed to tell me is where the key broke. So if you call to a client or a friend and he's broken his key, you can't get the lock out, question number one is, where did the key break? For this lock, it broke inside. Hence, that's why we can almost bully the lock open just by clipping that front one, because the key's inside. So if you call the client calls you and says, oh, broken lock, you can still pick the lock, even if the key's in. Just make sure you press the key all the way to the back so that it covers all the pins it's supposed to, and you just pick the front and the lock will open. But how do I get the key out of this? Now, having look at this, I'm going to take that one I said I could possibly just file the end off. Now there's a hole here and there's a hole here. Now this hole, it's just for the water to run out. Hey, I'm getting good at water that goes in, water runs out. This hole does probably the same thing, except that this hole, voila, this hole gets me to the key. Having got the key out, I could actually take the piece that is broken and this and put them together and make another key. Yeah, I was going to ask, how do I get this piece of the key out? But I managed to solve it for myself. So that's our lesson for today. You can still pick a lock that has a key partially broken in it, and well, for this one, you can simply push the key out to recover the lock. Alright, thanks. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Thanks for learning something. I learn all the time. I learn on the go. And we'll have another go at this lock. Now that it's free, we will have a go at picking it. But that's for another day. So, visit soon. Enjoy the rest of your day, stay safe, and enjoy.